like a Persian fusion, I call it. Apparently as a Middle Eastern woman, I'm supposed to love cooking, but I don't. Now I have to cook and decide what to cook every night, every dinner. So unethical. And I have an appointment in like an hour. Let's do this. Before I actually touch the chicken, I'm gonna teach you how to marinate chicken. Now this is my way. It's like Persian / Indian / I've evolved. So what I'm gonna do, hold on a second. I'm gonna put some olive oil here. Don't judge me. Garlic powder. I'm gonna make a little paste. No measurements here, okay? Just go by your heart until your ancestors start screaming, that's not how you do it. I know. Paprika. And you know, I'm a messy cook, so do not expect like fancy schmancy influencer, you know, content creator from me, because that's not me. Black pepper, lots of it. You know, if you don't like spicy, don't touch it. This is my newest discovery. I put a little bit of oregano to get rid of that chicken smell. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, that one. The secret ingredients after I put turmeric is, now I'm out of saffron. Imagine a Persian out of saffron. Yes, I'm gonna get some soon, but this is what I'm gonna use. Cardamom, I don't know how you say it, just a little bit. You also take excuse me. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Hold on a second, I'll be back. Lemon or lime, doesn't matter. Squeeze it! Then you make a little paste, right? If you had saffron, it would have been perfect. But because saffron is expensive, and I know many of you do not have it, so I use paprika for the color. I improvise, you know, hashtag mom life, hashtag blessed. Watery, but not too watery. These are not chicken breasts, these are holy crap, tenders, chicken tenders. Yes, I learned this from TikTok, so this is not for me. So I take a little pinky that's coming out of it. I don't know what they call it, the vein. You place it right here, okay? I know you're not gonna see. And then because it's slippery, I'm gonna take a little paper towel and then pull through. Look at this, look at this. Oh, see it? You throw this out, you don't eat this. You don't have that little vein in there. Ain't that cool? Yeah, you're welcome. My husband sometimes likes it in cubes, sometimes likes it like this, you know, whatever. And then you're gonna make dinner and they're like, oh my gosh, I don't like this, it doesn't taste good. Oh my gosh, it doesn't have enough salt. I want some cereal, oh my God. Well, get cereal then. Why are you asking me for dinner? How about you guys make me dinner every night? And then I'm gonna say, oh my gosh, it doesn't have enough salt, oh my God. It doesn't have enough. Get yourself a cheese sandwich and make me one too. Ooh, bam. Yesterday, my husband pissed me off. I told him I got some new shoes and he's like, oh, it looks so nice. I'm like, I know. Does it make me, my foot kind of look big? And he's like, were they ever small? Crazy husband. And then you're just gonna get there. I don't like to touch the chickens. Smother it into the, you know, the little batter we made. This can just stay in your fridge for like maybe like 2-3 days. And if you want to kind of meal prep, I don't know, whatever you do, if you do stuff like that, you can just, you know, put it in a little freezer bag and put it in the fridge. Yeah, what do I do with this? You can fry it, you can cut it up, you can put it on the grill, you can use it for pasta, you can use it for stew. The possibilities are endless, but this is usually my base. That's one of the bases that I use, like a little marination thingy, you know. You're welcome! If I use saffron, that's definitely Persian. Let me show you the onion part. I'm gonna clean this, don't worry. Nobody told me. Oh my God, my button wasn't buttoned. They want me to do cooking shows. Now, one thing I do in my batter sometimes, I cut up an onion. One thing I learned is if you just throw in the onion in your batter with your chicken, I mean, the juices of the onion doesn't come out, doesn't secrete. Is that even a word? I'm not sure. I take an onion. You know how to peel an onion, right? I don't have to show it to you. You know how some cooking shows, they show like how to cut an onion? Like, I'm not like that. I'm not going to show you. Really thin slices like that, you know, and I put it in a bowl. I'm not going to torture you with like cutting the whole onion. Why would I do that when you know how to cut an onion? You know, and just pretend that you're mad at everybody and you will cut it better. Now what I do is like, I just cut it smooshes like that a little bit. Now, if you did it with the batter, it would be better, but I know some people might not like onions. So you want the juices to come out. Smash, smash, smush, smush. Oh, my eyes. Actually, it's good. If I cry, my husband's going to come home and say, oh my gosh, what happened? I'm like, oh my God. Anywho, look at that. Look at that. And it doesn't have that chickeny smell anymore. Like, I hate that smell. Like, it's just like, ugh. I think the cardamom really helps. If you have saffron, good for you. But I'm out. My eyes, oh my God. Okay. You know what else you want to see next? Because I got no clue, because I hate cooking. Ah!